ready to amplify your brand's voice and connect with millions. Let's dive into creating your very own Facebook page. First things first, head over to Facebook and log in, then look for the Create button in the top right corner. It's usually a plus sign icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, select Page. This will take you to the page creation interface. Now, you'll see the options: business or brand and community or public figure. Choose the one that best describes what you're building your page for. For most businesses, business or brand is the way to go. Click Get Started under your chosen option. Time to give your page a name. In the page name field, type in the exact name you want displayed on Facebook. Below that, start typing a relevant category to describe your page. Facebook will suggest options. Select the most appropriate one from the list. Awesome! Once you've filled in your page name and category, you'll be prompted to add a profile picture. Choose a clear, high-quality image that represents your brand. Your logo works great here. Next up is the cover photo. This is the large image at the top of your page, so pick something visually appealing that reflects your brand's personality. And just like that, you have a Facebook page. Now, take some time to fill out the About section, add a call to action button like Shop Now or Contact Us, and start creating engaging content to connect with your audience. Good luck.